Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. This is another part of unboxing and first impression. Some of you like these videos, some of you I don't think you'll watch it. Anyway, so these are for people who like to see unboxing and first impressions for the latest purchases. I bought a few. I'm telling you, sooner or later I'm going to be in trouble because I bought too many. Okay, anyway, so without further ado, let's do this. Thank you very much for watching. Okay, because there are a few of them, so I'll go quickly. I don't want this video to be too long. Okay, so the first one is going to be Jack Bogart Story Green. Jack Bogart Story Green. As I said before many times, I have a weak point for green fragrances, one of my favorites. So when I see something recommended, this one was recommended by Joy Amin, the Bangladeshi brother. Hello Joy, if you're watching. And I had to get it. So as you can see, the box is quite nice. Let's see the bottle. The presentation on Jack Bogart house is always nice. Look at this, beautiful green, and it's very, very nice. Okay, so how is the atomizer? Again, the atomizer on this house are always good. Yeah, perfect. Okay, how is Story Green Jack Bogart? Ah, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Yeah, it reminds you of Le Male. Yeah, Joy Amin said that basically it's close to Le Male, the original. Yeah, I can smell that. It's very, very minty, green, sweet, vanilla, but overall it's gorgeous. Okay, so Story Green by Jack Bogart, first impression, fantastic. Wow, beautiful, gorgeous. It's got a little bit of smokiness to it as well, woody, smoky, but very, very good. Thank you Joy for recommending this. Okay, so let's go to the next one. The next one is this one is Vence Camuto Smoked Oud. Vence Camuto Smoked Oud. This one is recommended by the guru himself, Mark Robzo8. Mark, if you're watching, thank you very much for recommendation. I'm a big fan of your channel. I have been your subscriber for many, many years. So let's see how this one. I heard many good things about this one. Again, one of my favorite scents are oud, as you know by now. I love oud. So the box is very nice. Let's see the bottle. Wow, the bottle is gorgeous. Look at this, gorgeous, gorgeous bottle. The cap is very heavy. Okay, and the atomizer should be fantastic on this. Okay, yeah, the atomizer is very, very good. So how does it smell? Vence Camuto Smoked Oud. Wow, first thing it hits you is the quality. Very good quality. Wow, beautiful, gorgeous. Mark, very good, fantastic. I love oud anyway, but the oud is very soft. Okay, so it's a very soft oud, but the main player here is rose, at least by my nose. But the rose is gorgeous. Wow, beautiful rose. It's a Middle Eastern rose, but soft, not as jammy and punchy as usual. This one is quite soft, but you can tell the quality, the mixture, the perfumery is very, very good in this. Okay. Oh, very, very happy with this. Fantastic. Okay, so you see, today is my day because I love green fragrances. I love oud fragrances. So far so good. Oud and green, so far so good. Okay, the next one is going to be Fendi Absoluto. Fendi Perfume Absoluto. This one is many people praised it, and also it has been discontinued, so I had to get it You can still buy it relatively cheap if you like. I heard it's similar to Dolce & Gabbana, the one Royal Nights, so it's similar to that one. If it's the case, that is a bargain, because that one is quite expensive. It's around £100. And I sniffed that one. Although I liked it, I wasn't I didn't think it worth the money. Okay, but this one, let's have a look. So as you can see, the bottle is very nice, beautiful, and the atomizer. Wow, atomizer, very, very good. Okay, so Fendi Perfume Absoluto or Absolute. Wow, beautiful, very nice. Ambery. Ooh, spicy. Tobacco. Is it tobacco? Leafy, anyway. Very nice. Ambery, leafies, tobacco. Very nice, beautiful, gorgeous. For the money, highly recommend it. Well, this is first impression anyway, but I heard it lasts very good long time. Yeah. Wow, it's very, very good for winter. It's very, very warm, ambery, woody, and it's bit of sweetness. The sweetness, it reminds me of Jaguar pour l'homme. It reminds me of that one as well. But it reminds me of the Royal Night by Dolce & Gabbana, the one. Very good, fantastic. I'm very, very happy with this one. Okay, let's go to the next one. The next one is going to be Jaguar. This one is called a Special Edition. Special Edition Jaguar. This one is quite hard to find. I managed to find it for a good price on eBay. One seller was selling it and I snatched it, but it is it's not easy to find this one. Come on, Jaguar. Oh, come on. Okay, eventually we got there. Whoa, don't break it. Okay, so the box is simple and nice. So this one called Jaguar for Men Special Edition. The bottle is dark green, I think, and the cap is nice. Whoa, that's a okay, and the atomizer. Oh yeah, atomizer is very good. So Jaguar Special Edition. How does it smell? Huh, this is completely different from the Jaguar for Men, the green one, and Jaguar Evolution. This is very, very nice, but it's quite different. So this one's spicy, woody, but there's no sweetness. There's very, very minimum sweetness in there. Wow, but overall it's very nice. Wow, it's good. That is gorgeous. Okay, I'm very happy with this one. So this is the first impression anyway. I have to see the performance as well and how it develops. Okay, so the next one is going to be one of the quite rare Armaf. This is called Armaf Niche Sapphire. I have white diamond, Armaf Niche white diamond, and Armaf Niche black onyx. These are named after gemstones. The black onyx is very, very good. It's a dark incensey one, and the white diamond, as it says, is quite bright and fresh. So how is this one? And this, the presentation on these ones are quite nice. As you can see, it opens up like this, and the come on, the bottles on this line is very, very nice again. So look at this. It's a sapphire color, very, very beautiful color. Okay, The cap always, these ones are very heavy caps. So presentation top notch. Let's see the smell on this. Yeah, very good atomizer. As always, arm off. Oh, very nice. It's blue. Fresh. Okay. Similar, little bit. I'm not going to say it's a copy, but it's a similar to. It reminds me of Eros, Versace Eros. Yeah, minty, fresh. But there's no. It's not as much tonka bean in this. Eros is heavy tonka, but this one is not as much. But it's very nice. It's similar. Very good. I'm very happy with this one as well. Okay, let's go to the next one. The next one is going to be it's called Glory pour Homme. This is, I think it's a London based company. They make very affordable or very cheap fragrances, but the quality, it surprised me. You know, I bought a few things from them before, and every time they surprise me. Okay, so the box is quite nice and simple. The bottle again, simple and nice. It says Glory pour Homme. The cap is okay, and the atomizer. Yeah, atomizer is very good as well. So far so good. So what does it smell like? Wow, gorgeous. This is less than £10. Unbelievable. Smells dark, leathery, woody. Wow, very nice. It reminds me of something, but I can't remember what. But I'm telling you, for less than £10, the quality of this is unbelievable. And the ones I had before, they performed very well as well. Okay, so that was Glory pour Homme. If you are interested, search it. I will leave the names in the description below so you can do your research. The next one is quite a nice, it's called Brook Brothers New York. Brook Brothers New York, and the presentation is in this is very cute. So how do you open this? Big boxes are always hard to open. Okay, so it opens like this. Very nice presentation, and the bottle is gorgeous. Look at that. So it's a like wooden box, okay? And look at the bottle. It's gorgeous, beautiful. It's like a royalty. Yeah, it's a plastic cover. It's quite heavy. So it's a gold effect atomizer, beautiful. It looks like a royalty. Okay, so how does an atomizer? Come on, atomizer. Oh no, don't tell me. Okay, the atomizer is okay. Not bad. It looks good, but it's okay. Oh, very good. This is spicy. Blue, spicy. Mentally, woody, green, piney. Wow, it's quite complex. Wow, it's very nice, gorgeous, very manly, very ruggedly manly. Wow, beautiful. This one's quite pricey, it's around £50, but I'm telling you, for 100 ml and EDP I think. But it smells beautiful. It smells very complex. Okay, let's go to the last one, but not least, because the video is getting too long. And the last one is Armaf Niche Peridot. So the Sapphire and the Peridot, these two came out I think last year, but they're quite hard to find. I'm not sure why, but I was searching for them for months, and eventually I bought them from India, I think, to buy them to date. Anyway, there. So the box is nice. Is always this line is always beautiful, but this one is the color. Look at the color. It's beautiful green, gorgeous. As it says, peridot. Peridot, this is again another gemstone which is very, very green. Okay, and the caps are all, as always, very, very heavy. And the atomizer. Atomizer is always good on armor, especially this niche line. Beautiful. Okay, so how does it smell? Smells like a candy. Sweet, mother of sweetness. Whoa, smells like candy basically. This is a simple version of it. Wow, it reminds me of those, you know, the vanilla candy you suck on, you know, the hard one. Wow, fantastic, very nice. It's a little bit greenness into it, but the main thing you get is the vanilla. The vanilla and the sweetness of it is quite sweet. Wow, very nice. Basically, it's like a bag. You opened up a bag of sweet and you suck in on those sweet ones, and it's exactly the same smell. Very nice. Okay, guys. So that was the first impression and unboxing. Thank you for watching. I hope that was informative. If you have any questions,